Hello, this is Professor Sampson, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use your calculator to do long division. If you recall long division, what we had to do here was take, in this example, 895 divided by 8. We would take 8 divided by 895, and we would do long division, which means 1 times 8 is 8. You would subtract, that's 0, bring down to 9. 1 times 8 is 8. You subtract, bring down to 5. Then how many times does 8 go into 15, which is still only 1. 1 times 8 is 8. And then you subtract and your remainder is 7. So we would put R7. So our answer would be 111, remainder 7. Now we won't be doing that long division by hand. We'll be using our calculator. We use our calculator by going ahead and entering the appropriate fraction, 895 divided by 8. We get 111.875. Now 111 is your whole number and 0.875 is your decimal. What you're going to do is subtract out 111, and that would be the whole number you would put in My Math Lab. Once you subtract out the whole number, that leaves you with a decimal. The last step is to multiply this decimal times the denominator. In this case, it's 8 times 8. And you see your answer is still the 111, remainder 7. Okay, let's do another one. The next one we want to do, and we're not going to do long division this time, is 739 divided by 6. So we're going to put in our calculator, 739. And then we're going to hit divided by 6. And it's going to give us the answer. Our answer, our whole number is 123. And we're waiting on our remainder. So let's subtract out our 123. And then multiply this time by our denominator, which is 6 times 6. And your answer is 123, remainder 1. So that's all you need to do when you divide whole numbers and you're looking for the remainder. There's actually a second way to do it in your calculator. This only works with the TI 84 Plus, and you have to have the upgraded edition. So if I was going to do 942 divided by 7, okay, I would still do 942 divided by 7. That gives me a whole number of 134. Now if I wanted to use the calculator menu, I would go over to Math right here. Then at the top of Math, I go over with the over bar to Num. And then I would scroll down or hit 0, but I'm going to show you where it is. You would go down to 0 where it says remainder and hit enter. The calculator is asking you, well, what two numbers are you dividing? So you would tell the calculator, I'm saying 942. And instead of putting a division bar, it won't take that. To separate the 942 from the 7, you need to put comma, which is on top of the 7, comma, and then 7. Close your parentheses, and it's going to tell you that your remainder is 4. So your answer would be 134, remainder 4. Here's another problem. So you choose a way that you're going to do it using your calculator. 4427 divided by 6. Right. Both ways I have to put in 4427 divided by 6, and I get 737. And either way, I'm looking for my remainder. Whether I choose to subtract out 737, and then multiply that times the denominator here of 6 and get my remainder of 5. Or I choose to use the upgrade in my calculator by hitting math, going over to num, and hitting 0 for the remainder function, and putting in 4427, comma, 6. Either way, I'm going to get the remainder of 5. And this is the way you do long division in your calculator. Thank you.